Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make beef vindaloo. Start with the marinade. This crucial step infuses the beef with incredible flavor. Combine a rich blend of spices, tangy vinegar, and aromatic garlic ginger paste. Ensure your beef is cut into 1.5-inch cubes for optimal absorption. Marinate for a minimum of 2 hours, but for truly exceptional results, let it sit overnight in the refrigerator. Now let's cook. Begin by searing the marinated beef until it's beautifully browned, locking in those juices. Next, sauté your onions until they are soft and translucent, then introduce the tomatoes to create a rich base. Finally, add the remaining marinade and a little water, then simmer the curry gently for 1 to 2 hours, allowing the beef to become incredibly tender. Almost there. Taste your vindaloo and adjust the seasoning. If it's too tangy, a small amount of sugar can balance the flavors beautifully. You can also add more chili if you prefer extra heat. Once perfected, serve this delicious beef vindaloo hot. It pairs wonderfully with fluffy basmati rice, warm naan bread, or any of your favorite Indian side dishes. For the best vindaloo, always use a heavy-bottomed pot. It distributes heat evenly and prevents sticking. Also, consider freshly grinding your spices. It makes a significant difference in the vibrancy and depth of flavor. And hey, while you're cooking up a storm, don't forget to keep your car smelling fresh. Check the description for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.